In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import chart of accounts in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so your accounts come in cleanly and are ready to use in your day-to-day bookkeeping. First, a quick bit of context. Your chart of accounts is the backbone of your accounting system. It defines how income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity are categorized, which in turn drives your reports and tax settings. Before you start, make sure you're logged into the correct Xero organization and that you have the right permission to manage the chart of accounts. It also helps to have your chart ready in a CSV format that follows Xero's layout so the import goes smoothly. Begin by heading to Xero and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard of the right organization, look to the top menu and open the accounting section. This is where Xero groups together the tools that control your general ledger and reporting setup. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This page shows all the existing accounts, including their codes, names, types, tax defaults, and whether they're active. It's a good moment to glance over what's already in place so you know if you're adding new accounts, updating existing ones, or both. Next, select Import. Xero will prompt you to upload your file and will validate the data against its rules. Using Xero's standard column structure keeps things simple. Typical columns include code, name, type, tax, and a description. Make sure each account code is unique, since codes are how Xero matches and organizes accounts. The type needs to align with Xero's categories, such as revenue, expense, current asset, or liability, because that determines where the account appears in reports. Set the default tax rate only where it truly applies in your region, and keep descriptions clear but concise so they're useful without being confusing. If your file includes updates to accounts that already exist, keep the exact same code so Xero knows which line to modify. Avoid special characters and codes, watch out for trailing spaces and names, and confirm that no accounts you're adding are system controlled. If anything doesn't meet Xero's requirements, the importer will flag the issue with a helpful message, so you can correct the file and try again. When the import completes successfully, your accounts will appear immediately in the chart. From here, you can start posting transactions to them, and they'll roll up neatly into your financial reports. Take your time with this step, and consider saving a copy of the file you imported so you have a clean record of your setup.